Hi everyone and welcome back, and in this video we are going to be discussing about this platform called Snov.io, and this is the best automated sales engagement platform. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards. Now if you are looking for automated sales engagement, this is the one stop for you. So you can see we have various features, like for example, the first thing that you can do is simply install their extension, email finder extension, and that is going to be helping you to simply find different type of emails. And email marketing is really a popular method to get yourself an engagement. After that, you can also collect enriched targeted prospect in bulk. You can upload your own prospect list. You can find company employee email contacts and find company prospects with contacts as well. So on the top you can see your finder or leads. You can add prospects in here. You can search the database, import from file, create manually. You have your finder, and in here you can see we have our job titles, location, and various different categories being listed in here. Now the amazing feature about this platform is the email search and bulk email search feature. So it is really providing different features for emails. So if you want to simply add first name, last name, or company domain, you can simply find the email, and that will be super awesome. So they also have various different features to offer. Now let's say you are still unsure about the platform, you can head over to G2, and here you will find amazing reviews about the platform, like for example 5-star, and also very helpful to get new leads and much more. So basically an amazing platform in my opinion. Now to access it, you can head over to the link in the description, using which you can get extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.